Wala ng pera sa Facebook. Yan ang usap-usapan ngayon after people saw this notice from Facebook saying in-stream ads, ads on Reels, and performance bonus will end on August 31, 2025 and that eto na yung last day that creators will earn from any of these monetization programs. Pero may pahabol na sentence yung notice na yun. Eligible creators will be invited to the Facebook Content Monetization Program. At para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang Facebook Content Monetization Program is a new program kung saan kinumbine ni Facebook ang monetization tools like bonus, ads on Reels, and in-stream ads into one, which is the Content Monetization Program. Ayaw nyo maniwala? Let me show you. So, ganito ang itsura ng monetization tools ngayon. Merong section for ads on Reels, bonus, and in-stream ads. And for those pages na na-invite na sa Content Monetization Program, merong bagong section sa baba for Content Monetization. And since invited na ako, if I go to my ads on Reels section, it will actually say na I am now earning through Content Monetization and I am no longer earning through ads on Reels. That's actually the same if I go to bonus, and then in-stream ads. So, ano nga ba ang itsura ng content monetization? So, as of today, ganito itsura niya. May total earnings sa taas, tapos may breakdown sa baba. Yung photos, text, and stories, yan yung dating bonus program. And then, merong Reels, which is the ads on Reels. And then, you have videos, which is the in-stream ads. So, yan yung patunay na instead na tig-iisa sila ng sections, merged na sila sa content monetization, pero makikita mo pa rin yung breakdown which is actually good para alam din ng creator kung saang type of content mas malaki ang kita and pwedeng dun muna mag-focus. So, ang takeaway is, meron pa ring pera sa Facebook. Hindi mawawala ang monetization on August 31, 2025. Mamamerge lang siya. Ang problem nandito is, number 1, content monetization program is invite only. Walang criteria na dapat i-meet. Wala ding nakakaalam kung paano ma-invite, although meron siyang interest form but it's not a guarantee na maging eligible ka kapag nag-fill out ka ng interest form. And number 2, kung monetize ka sa in-stream ads, bonus at ads on Reels, pero hindi ka pa na-invite sa content monetization program. Hindi ko lang alam kung merong ganun. Comment ka sa baba kung ganun yung scenario mo. So yun lang yung dalawang problema na nakikita ko dito, pero may tip ako sa'yo. Kung goal mo ang kumita sa pagko-content, my suggestion is, try to build your presence on TikTok and Instagram. Ha? Wala namang monetization dun. Oo, wala. Pero andun yung mga brand deals. Kapag malaki ang following mo dun and maganda yung performance ng videos mo, mataas ang chances na may mga brands na mag-reach out sa'yo who will pay you to promote their product or service. Depende na lang yan sa niche mo. Like for me, doon galing lahat ng mga paid partnerships ko with AI companies. Suggestion ko lang naman yun. Yun lang. Follow for more.